House for Chiquita by Meraki Arquitectura Diseño in San Bernardino, Paraguay. The house for Chiquita is a weekend home. The brief was to create a space for relaxation and family get-togethers, with the shortest execution time possible. Two cyclopean concrete walls intersect and define the space of this house with an almost square plan. And a single-pitch sandwich iron sheet roof, detached from the walls, defines the composition of this one-story house on the slope of one of the hills in the city of San Bernardino. Since the best views of the landscape are orientated towards the west, metal sheet parasols were incorporated in the design to not only achieve thermal comfort but to also give the main facade a singular language. The house was implanted at the far end of the lot, to create a generous and welcoming space in the front. Taking in account the natural slope of the land, the architect created an expansion terrace with a swimming pool at the same level to help with the expansion of the project itself. The project revolves around a main living space where all the activities of the house interact with one another, providing functionality to the house. On one of the house boundaries, a sloped garden was created to provide natural light and air to the bedrooms that open towards it. House Chiquita is essentially a project where tranquility and comfort interact to create a space for guests of all ages to use and enjoy in the now ever-growing city of San Bernardino.